friends, welcome to Giggle Bloom Science Time. Today we're making rainbow colors. Let's mix and discover.
Look, 3 magic colors.
Red, yellow, and blue. First, red. Now, yellow. What will it become? Mix, mix, mix. Wow, it turned orange. Orange like an orange is a fruit. Red and yellow make orange. Can you say orange? Orange! Now let's try blue and yellow. Ready? Mix, mix, mix. It turned green. Green like leaves and grass. Blue and yellow make green. Green like leaves. Green! Let's mix red and blue. 1, 2, 3. Mix, mix, mix! Wow, purple! Purple like grapes.
Red and yellow make orange.
Blue and yellow make green.
Red and blue make a purple.
Color mixing is fun. Red and yellow, orange bright. Blue and yellow, green delight. Red and blue make purple too. Great job, little scientists.
Wait, a color game is starting.
Ready? Want a color game? Guess the color before we mix. Ready? Let's play. Let's play. Red plus yellow. What will it make? Say it. Orange. Yes, orange. Great guessing. Yellow plus blue. What do you think? Shout it. Green. Green like leaves. Nice job. Blue plus red. What will it make? Guess. Purple. Purple. Purple like grapes. Grapes, grapes. You're super smart. Color hunt time. Orange, green, and purple. Can you spot them? I found orange. Orange, great. Orange. I found green. Green like leaves. Purple. Yes, sis. Purple.
Look, a rainbow.
So many colors. Orange, green, purple, yay! You did it, little scientists. See you next time on GiggleBloomTV. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.